Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all of you are doing great. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, today I talk about in our local area and in our village. So let's get a start. Actually, today I am standing here at this moment in our paddy field. You can see this paddy field quality is so very nice and very good quality because I am I have come here at this moment and in front of and behind side you can see in our paddy field on machine start at this moment because our watering time actually today time actually 8 a.m. It's a morning time and I have come here at this moment. I am watering in our paddy field because today actually today weather is very shine, actually sun very shine. So nowadays weather actually very good and very warm. And dear friends, actually in our village it's located, it's actually village. So dear friends, village so many things and all villagers people actually very good lifestyle because simple lifestyle and village also actually no pollution and air pollution, actually overall actually most beautiful and very good quality because all villagers actually living and simple lifestyle because village life is, I am also villagers and village life so many good because compare the city, and city means so many facilities available and so many problems because city life actually so many population very large population because the time and hospitality and air pollution and so many problems that time and so many good because hospitality and educational system is city life is a very good and village life also good. I think village life, villagers, all villagers and you made so many crops and self made because I am also villagers and I am standing here in our paddy field because it's a natural and it's a natural actually villagers, all villagers people and made so summer season actually so many crops like paddy and sugar cane and chili, so many crops, and that is the things actually it's a very opportunity, big opportunity in our villagers. Actually all villagers actually so many things. So dear lovely friends, in our village I talk about because my village actually located in our village in front of on big river. This river name is Brahmaputra river. In our behind side it's a most largest river in our Assam. Actually it's a very big river and this river actually known, actually Bangladesh name is Padma river. Actually it's in our Assam actually most largest river. And dear friends, actually village, in our village so many facility. So thank you, bye bye.